Welcome. This affirmation will help you attract abundance, prosperity, and harmony into every area of your life. Abundance is the natural state of the universe. When we tune our thoughts to gratitude, joy, and trust, we become a magnet for happiness, financial well-being, love, and health. Every positive statement builds new neural connections, creating patterns of success and prosperity. The more often you repeat them, the faster these programs become your reality. Listen in the morning to fill yourself with energy and inspiration, and in the evening to anchor the results in your subconscious. For the best results, set this recording on repeat at night while your subconscious absorbs new patterns most deeply. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Feel yourself filling with lightness and joy. Imagine a soft golden glow surrounding you, the energy of luck and prosperity. With every breath, this golden light grows brighter, gently filling your entire body. Feel how the world around you begins to turn in your favor. From this moment, everything starts to flow easily, smoothly, and in perfect harmony with your path. Just listen to these words and allow the flow of good fortune to enter your life with trust and gratitude. I am open to abundance in all its forms. I thank life for its generosity. My reality is filled with abundance. I deserve the very best. I attract prosperity and harmony. My heart is open to love. My body is filled with health and energy. I welcome success with gratitude. I deserve happiness and prosperity. My thoughts create my abundant reality. I choose joy and inspiration every day. I am in the flow of abundance. The universe blesses me generously. I am open to new opportunities. I allow myself to be happy. I feel gratitude for everything I have. I create a life filled with harmony. I deserve love and respect. My subconscious is tuned to success. I choose wealth and prosperity. I welcome the gifts of life with joy. I am open to new sources of income. My life is full of happy moments. I trust the universe. I radiate confidence and peace. I deserve to live in abundance. I accept care and support. I am in harmony with the energy of money. I create opportunities for success. I thank life for the abundance around me. I am open to love and happiness. I attract people who value and respect me. My life is filled with inspiration. I am a worthy partner for success. I allow myself to grow and evolve. I attract abundance easily and naturally. I thank life for joy and harmony. I choose bright and positive thoughts. I am open to financial growth. My body is a source of energy and strength. I feel confident about tomorrow. I trust the process of life. I welcome happiness into my life. I deserve success and harmony. I am in the flow of prosperity. My actions bring joy and abundance. I thank life for each new day. My reality is full of happiness. I deserve the best opportunities. I open myself to harmony and love. I allow myself to be wealthy and happy. I feel gratitude for success. I am open to life's miracles. I accept the energy of abundance. I deserve joy and inspiration. I create the life of my dreams. My subconscious supports my goals. I attract harmony in my relationships. I thank life for health and strength. I radiate confidence and joy. My finances grow with me. I trust my inner strength. I deserve to live in abundance. I welcome success with an open heart. I thank the universe for its support. I am in a state of harmony and happiness. I attract success through my thoughts. I am open to new paths of growth. I feel abundance in every day. I thank life for every opportunity. I deserve love and happiness. My life is full of light and harmony. I create a rich life with love. I am open to luck and success. I thank life for all that I have. I live in the flow of joy. I deserve to receive more. I feel gratitude for life. I attract happiness and inspiration. I am open to the energies of the universe. I allow myself to live in joy and abundance. Remember, your thoughts create your reality. The more often you repeat positive affirmations, the faster they become part of your life. Listen to this affirmation every day, morning and evening. And for the best results, set the recording on repeat at night.